Hi everyone, welcome to my channel Maths Club. I am Professor Dipanjan Kumar De. Today we are going to learn about switches. This is data communication and networking. The topic is switches. It is actually the switches actually interconnecting internetworking tools. Okay, earlier I discussed hub and repeater. So today is switches. Internetworking tools are of many types like switches, hub, repeater, router, then then gateway, etc. So one by one I am discussing. So today I will discuss switches. The outcome of switches. First outcome of switches. That is, upon the completion of this session, the learner will be able to know what is switches, what are the type of switches, and how does it work. These are the three outcomes of this lecture. So one by one I am discussing here. This is very important for BCA, MCA, MSc IT, MSc Computer Science, BTech, MTech, BSc Computer Science, etc. And this is also important for competitive exam throughout India like NET exam and GATE exam. So what is switches? Switches mainly, it may be connectionless or connection oriented. Connection oriented, and is connectionless. Two types of switches: connection oriented and connectionless. So now what is actually switch? What is switch? It is a small hardware. That joins multiple computer together with one local area network. Within one local area network. Understand? It is a small hardware that joins multiple computers together within one local area network. That means we can say it works on LAN. So first point I am coming. That is first point. Switches are networking device. Switches are networking device. Switches are networking device because networking devices are many types. Switch is one of them. So we can say switches are networking device. Okay. Switches operate at the layer 2, that is data link layer. Switches operates at the data link layer. Switches operate at data link layer. Okay, data link layer operate at data link layer. Switches create networks. It switches. Number 3, switches creates network. Switches create network. Creates net. Switches create network. Okay. Switches operate at data link layer of OSI model. OSI model. Okay. Switches creates network. Number 4. So since it creates network, that means it has multiple port. Number 4. Switches have multiple port. Switches have multiple port. That means there are many ports, not 2 ports or 3 ports. Okay, it has multiple ports. Like if I draw a figure like this is suppose switches. Switch. These are the port. This is port. This is port. This is port. This is port. So these are the ports. PC1. Suppose this is on computer is connected here. PC1. This is PC2. This is PC3. Then this is PC4. PC4. So how many ports there? Only 4 ports. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 ports. So switches have multi-port, not 2 ports, not 3 ports. It is not fixed. It has multi-port. Okay. So it has multi-port. Switches have multi-port device. Switches have multi-port device. Okay. Multi-port device. So next type of switches. There are 3 types of switches. 3 types of switches. 3 types of switches. 3 types of switches. Number one. 3 types of switches. Number 1, circuit switches. Circuit switch. Number 2, message switch. Number 3, packet switch. Packet switch. Packet switches. Circuit switch, message switch and packet switch. These are the 3 types of switch. I will discuss this clearly in separate video. Circuit switch, message switch, circuit switch, message switch and packet switch. This I will discuss separately. Okay. So these are the 3 types of switch we'll discuss later. So now I am coming point number 6. Point number 6. Switch used to. Point number 6. Switches used to exchange data within a local area network. That is within a college or organization. They are used to exchange data outside. They are not used to exchange data outside their own network, such as internet. Okay. So what I am telling, I want to say, switches used to exchange data. Switches used to exchange data. This is number 6. Switches used to exchange data. Switches used to exchange data within a local area network, within a LAN, local area network. When we discuss about LAN, that means we can say that is within college, within organization, within a building, like this. Okay, so switches used to exchange data within a local area network. That means they are not used to exchange data outside their own network like internet, etc. That means switches are not used to exchange data outside the LAN, that is internet or wireless network. So this is the one of the criteria of switch, that is switch used to exchange data within a LAN. So when we talk about LAN, that means MAC address, not IP address. MAC address, that means switches read only MAC address. This next point, because within a LAN, so we can say switches read only MAC address. Switches read only MAC address, not IP address. That means switches do not read IP address. They read only MAC address, not IP address, because switches exchange data within a LAN. When you talk about wireless LAN, that means it will be IP address, not when we talk about wireless LAN. When we talk about Facebook, when we talk about YouTube, then IP address will be required. So MAC address and IP address. So what is MAC address and what is IP address? I have given another lecture about IP address and MAC address. You will see, okay, in my channel. You will see another video, okay. That is I have discussed very clearly, okay. So we can say switches read only MAC address because it exchanges data within a LAN, not WAN, okay. So next point is when a data packet is sent to a switch, then the switch will deliver the destination address only. When a data packet number 8 I am discussing. When a data packet is sent to a switch, when a data packet is sent to a switch, when a data packet to send to a switch, then the switch will deliver, then the switch will deliver the correct destination. Will deliver the correct destination only. This point, remember, very important point. This point is very important. When a data packet is sent to a switch, then the switch will deliver the correct destination only. But hub deliver the data packet throughout the all of the stations, all stations, that is broadcast. Hub will broadcast when a data packet gets a hub, then hub will broadcast the data packet to all the stations. Okay, but switch only, he will send the destination address only destination. That means if I say, suppose for this point, if I say suppose PC1 want to send a data packet to PC3, then it comes first within the switch, then switch will take the data packet and send it to proper destination, that is PC3, not PC2 and PC4. That means PC2 and PC4 does not know whether PC1 and PC3 exchanging data. So there is a security provide, switches security provide security. Okay, this point you can say switches provide security. That means from this point we can say also that means when PC1 getting a data packet when PC1 want to send a data packet to PC3, then switch will deliver to PC3 only. So this is called one type of filtering. That means we can say next point we can say switch has the filtering capacity. Number 9, switch have the filtering capacity. Filtering capacity means when PC1 sends data to PC3, then other stations, that is PC2 and PC4, does not know. This is known as filtering capacity. Filtering, only the destination address will send. And switches has the forwarding capacity also. Forwarding means number 10, switches have the forwarding capacity as forwarding capacity. Switches have the forwarding capacity. Forwarding, that means when PC1 gets data, then it will forward to the destination. Address. So this is known as forwarding capacity. Store and forward. Okay. Store the data, then forward the data to the destination address only. Next point I am coming. Next, already I have discussed, that is 3 types of switches I already discussed. So switches has the forwarding capacity. Now from this what is the difference between hub and switch, you can understand by this point. That means when a hub gets data packet, then hub will deliver hub will forward the data packet to every node like this. But switch, when a data packet gets a switch, then switch will send it to the destination only. This is the main difference between hub and switch. Okay, but another point, difference between hub and switch, that is hub have no filtering capacity, but switch having a filtering capacity. Filtering means I already told, when switch gets data packet, it will send only the Filter the data packet, that means data packet only sent to the destination address, not the other address, not the other devices. This is called one type of filtering. But hub will not filter the data packet, he will broadcast the data packet, okay, to every station. I think you understand very nicely what is switches, what are the type of switches and how does it work. You understand very nicely. Next I will come with new video, new topic on networking. So till then, bye bye. Thank you very much once again. Thank you.